Hello everyone, welcome to SHLED technology. Welcome to our Dongguan factories. The factories cover an area of 8,000 square meters. Our company was founded in 2009 and headquartered in Shenzhen. Hello, welcome to our showroom. We are an outdoor building facade lighting solutions manufacturer. Our productions mainly including LED point light sourcing, LED mesh green, LED linear lights, LED wall washer, LED floor lights. There are many kinds of products with IP67 waterproof. We have over 200 patents and owner certifications. We have certifications such as C, LOS, and CQC, and so on. This is our purchase department, and this is our comprehensive department. Our technical team and production manager here. This is SMT workshop with 3 high-speed SMD machines, higher shipping efficiency, and guarantee quality. This is R&D department. Have a check. This is our laboratory. Have a check here. This is the integral test. And here, anti-UV test, H and C impact test, flame retardant test, waterproof test, short spray test, H and L temperature test, higher T and H test, IES darkroom test. So welcome to our #1 workshop. Here we have the 4 automatic cutting machines and nearly 30 soldering machines. So that we can ship out the goods very quickly. Our #2 workshop. Have a check here. We have 2 L sorter devices. We have 4 automatic dispatch machines. It do not require manual dispatch and it has higher efficiency. This is our assembly workshop. Have a check. Welcome to #3 workshop. It's mainly producing LED linear lights. Welcome to decoration lighting workshop. Welcome to our pistol production workshop. This is our packing area. Have a check. Hello, welcome to our warehouse. This is the whole introduction today. Welcome everybody to visit us. Bye bye.